Is computer addiction affecting your life? Computers and internet access are cheaper than ever before, and that means more and more people can afford to have both in their homes. Computers are great when you work from home, and in fact, you may not be able to do so without one. Not everyone who has a computer needs it for work at home though, and most use it for other things. Many spend hour after hour online, and this can cause a problem with the dynamic of any family. Computer addiction is a very real thing, and it has caused problems in even the strongest of families and relationships. Computer addiction is something most scoff at, but it can be a very real thing. Some come home from work and barely glance in the direction of their spouse before they log on and check their email. This is something that starts small and can end with one spouse spending all of their free time in front of their computer screen. As you can imagine, this type of computer addiction will leave the other spouse feeling neglected, and may lead to divorce if something does not change. Adults are not the only ones who can fall into a computer addiction. There are many teens who spend more and more of their time online rather than hanging out with friends, playing sports, and interacting with their families. Some of them play games, but many more of them have an addiction to computer instant messaging, message boards, and sites like MySpace. Not only are they not interacting with real people in real life, they are neglecting homework and forgetting what it is like to be sociable with others that they meet face to face. If you are spending more time looking at your computer screen than sitting on the couch watching a movie with your spouse or your entire family, you may want to consider that you have a computer addiction. Try coming home from work one day without touching your computer to see how it makes you feel. If you find that you can't stay away from it, can't stop thinking about it, or become agitated as if you are missing a huge part of your life, you may want to consider that you have a computer addiction. This is when you might want to take some time to think about what really means the most to you, and then make the changes you need to make. You don't have to give up surfing online or playing games, but there is always something to be said about moderation and harmony in the home.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.